Hi guys, welcome back to the home and homestead. Today we'll be planting our herb garden. If you watched the planting of the vegetable garden video, you will see step by step how we did that this year as well. So as we did with the vegetable garden, first I'll be starting by adding a rabbit guard fencing to the lower edge of the perimeter of the garden enclosure here as well. The rabbits really got into our vegetable and herb gardens last year, and we wanted to try to prevent that as much as we could this year. So first step, I'll get that installed, and then we'll see what plants we have to put in the herb garden this year. Alright, so I have the rabbit guard all the way around the perimeter, and I reinforced the door with some extra fencing that I had from building our gardens. I did that both on the vegetable garden door and the herb garden door here. So I have it roughly laid out how I'll be doing my plantings this year. There's 2 basil plants, 2 rosemary plants. This is the chive plant. It's a perennial, so it comes up every year. I purchased a packet of seeds, and I'll kind of fill in around the side of it here to get it even more full than it is. And then there are 2 curly parsleys, and that little red pot is a cilantro. Over the weekend, we went to a flea market, and I came upon a pot that is actually the same finish as the other pots that I did in the bonus container planting video. This is the new pot here, so I planted that with some thyme seeds. So we have thyme, mint, and oregano in pots inside of the herb garden. They're all perennials, and that'll help control their spread so they don't take over the garden. So now I will get these plants into the ground here. Alright, so the plants are all in the ground, and for the basil plants, the 2 parsley plants, and the cilantro plant, I have cages. And for the 2 rosemary plants and chives, I do not. The rosemary and chives, they're very strong and sturdy plants, and they're able to stand upright by themselves when they become larger. So now for the final stage of planting of the herb garden. For the final stage of planting in my herb garden would be decorative garden pieces and rain gauge. So here's a little solar lighted rain gauge and decorative pavers, a little garden gnome, and German Shepherd statuary. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today of planting of my herb garden. If you haven't seen already, there's also a video on planting of the vegetable garden this year. And watch for an upcoming video of how to label your vegetable and herb gardens, as well as planters. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.